Assalamualaikum everyone and welcome back to SHIBA update today for Friday 9 of September, and we're looking at some very nice movement for SHIB. And SHIB is not doing it on itself, but this is actually the effect of what Bitcoin is having right now on the whole market in general. So what I'm gonna say is that you do have a very extended parallel channel right now at the moment. Okay, so you're having this line right there, and you're having this support line right over here, down here. So it's more like a consolidation. There's still no any confirmation of SHIB to move to the upside. For me, I'm actually gonna flip when SHIB actually goes up to 1500, goes above 1500, and then I'm gonna be like, yeah, okay, that's amazing, that's pretty awesome. Maybe SHIB is finally moving to the upside. And keep in mind, the weekend is around the corner. Tomorrow is going to be Saturday, then we're going to head into Sunday. You never know if the market starts to flip from Saturday, Sunday, and then suddenly drops to the downside as well. Because once again, what I'm looking at is just a very simple pattern, and that is on the daily. Okay, so that daily bear flag is what I'm afraid of at the moment, and that is this flag right over here. It's a very picture perfect flag right over there, and at the moment all you're doing is consolidating to the downside, and you can still end up breaking down and continue to the downside. So I know there's a pump, I know there's a green candle here and there, but then again, you must be waiting for confirmation, because this is still nothing more than a sideways, and you can flip to the downside again very quickly, break it down, and then come down to 1000 and continue to 934, which is the actual technical target. So be careful. That's the bear flag. Cross the bear flag, try to come up, beat the bear flag, go to 1500, backtest the 1429, and then it's good. Then this scenario to the downside gets cancelled. And that's pretty much it for this SHIB update. I'm going to see you in the next one. Allah Hafiz.